Alright guys, I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to work the superset on your shoulders. We're going to the front, the side, the rear, and then we're going to do biceps. The superset for all over the arm. Let's do it. Okay. So it's, remember, about quality, not quantity, quality. So it's going to be lightweight. I could do much heavy weight, but remember, it's about the quality of the weight, the muscle connection. Let me show you. See my elbow?
I can hear you.
See my elbow? It only goes up to here. It doesn't go all the way up here to here, off the shoulder. So I do 20 of those. And then I do 20 like this. One. That's for the front. Now for the rear, we're going to bend over just a little bit and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. And from there, I'll add these to a curl bar. I do another 15, repeat the cycle at the weight,
But she didn't mention if they want to leave on the same date or later date.
Maybe they want to, but they can't.
What's that?
Maybe they want to, but they can't. Because of the airplane.
That too.
What's up guys, I'm fixing the window. It's a 2014 Kia Sportage, just in case you have something like that. Decided to make a video because I didn't see that many videos on the window switches. So from here it'll go down. This is a master switch, see, but look at the window, it goes down but it won't go back up. Oh, what? It's working now.
What? So now you got that part for no reason?
Oh, isn't that something? Never mind, video's over.
But wait. How about if you do it gentle?
It's not working no more. Well.
Okay, so.
Well.
Class back in session?
Class back in session. Okay. Well, it wasn't working. So this one, the back part, it wasn't working either. So I had to switch the switch. And it works with this one.
Mm-hmm. It works from the back panel, but not.
I ordered this one from Amazon for 20 bucks, so it's not bad. So that one works, but the front one don't work.
Oh, it's working.
No, it won't work.
Oh, no. Okay, yes, it goes down, but it won't go up.
Okay.
So will it go down right now?
Yeah, it goes down.
Okay.
It won't go back up. Strange that it went up for a little bit.
Yeah.
Anyway.
It's messing with our emotions.
So I had to order this piece here, the whole switch. This one was $80 Amazon. If I ordered in the US, if I ordered it from China or Japan or Hong Kong, where it was from, 40 bucks. But that would take like about a month and a half to get here. So let's remove this. This was pretty easy. I found out that you have two plastics here. One.
You have to talk louder.
You have two bolts here. 1, 2.
You can't see them.
Yeah, you can't see them. One bolt here. And one bolt here. This is a cover plastic. And then, so let's remove them. So this one has cover. There's a plastic cover before you get to the bolt. So You gotta remove the cover. It's a real tricky part.
And why you want the engine on?
Oh, it's to
You
show
feel the
off.
heat from the motor.
Oh, that's to make to show the video that window. You have these little clips on, so you gotta take those off.
Oh, what little clips? I don't see anything.
Right here? To expose the boat.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So be careful. I lost one of these already.
Mm.
Okay. Then we have one here in the center. You have to pop this on top. There's a little cap. You gotta pop it open. So put it right there. There you go. See that? And
Nice.
there's and then you gotta pop this here. Put this stick screwdriver. Boom, it'll pop. There you go. There's a bolt right there. Secret hidden component bolts. Took me a while to figure it out.
Yeah.
But I won't want it to come out, damn it. So all you do is just unscrew it.
Okay. Never mind.
Unscrew that.
And this time you're putting the covers and the screws in your pocket so you won't lose one?
No, they put them right on the side. Now I know where they're at. I lost it because I fell on the grass and someone ate it.
Bounced off and went into the abyss.
I think someone ate it down there.
No. Coffee, did you eat it? No. Say no, it wasn't me.
Oh, you know what? I should have gotten my drill a little faster. It's two.
A lot of traffic coming by, huh, Coffee?
Three. And four. The drill with it. But I forgot to bring it up. Okay. Now
Or maybe you could just do the sound of it.
yeah.
Pretend you brought it up.
All you do is just pop it out. It's a little bit kind of hard because I have never taken it out. So here at the bottom, there's a little door, a little way so you can put your screwdriver. There you go. Oh. You just pop up. Boom, boom, boom. Lift.
Have you taken off this door panel before?
Not this one.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know about this here.
Uh-oh. We have a situation.
I know, I didn't figure about that one. Oh, this one. That's quick. You have to take this off, it's just a clip. Let me just take that out. Yeah. This one just lifts. There's a little groove on top. See? And all you do, unplug this, just pull it out. Boom. It broke. No, it's kidding. Just snap off. So it has two controls here. So remove these two. It's gonna be kind of hard because they haven't been moved and so they're stuck there. There you go, that's one. And you can't really see. What do you want to get out? Okay, got it.
Snapped off.
Okay, now we can go inside because it's hot out here and take this out and replace it. There's some
Okay.
bolts in there. So, we'll be right back. Let's go inside.
You got the keys?
Oh, you get the keys? Yeah, it's important.
Okay.
All right, just unscrewed the bolts. These have 6 bolts in the back. I just got the bolts out from this master switch, and the back has 6 bolts. Remove them, and all it does is pops out. You probably use a screwdriver to pop it out. So we took the old one and then swap it out with the new one. So, see the difference?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks the same.
No, one is completely almost black and the other one's
So,
a charcoal black.
okay, see how it goes when we put it back on. Hopefully everything goes good. This here. There it goes.
What?
Snapped on.
It's just as simple as that, and you're just gonna put them switches back on, and that's it?
Yeah, just screw it back up. Put the switches on and cross your fingers. That's the problem. So now to put these back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the one that. Yeah. Okay. All right, remember, like, comment, subscribe if you have any more questions about this. This is a Kia. I'm pretty sure the Kia is all the same, but give me a likes up, guys. I'm doing this for FYI information, so that way you don't spend that much money taking it to the dealer.
No kidding.
So, I don't know how much they would charge the dealer.
Well, we would take it to the dealer when we had the warranty, but as soon as we hit, what, 80,000 miles, that's when the warranty went away, gone, no more.
Let's do the drill easier. Oops. And I guess it's not a good idea to wear sandals just in case you drop your screwdriver on the floor. Close calls with them. I'll just keep on spinning. No one. Keep on spinning. This one's way in the back there, so you have to do this. It's fine up here. You change your speakers, might as well, right? Put some.
Our speakers are just fine for some both.
All right, let's go and try. I'm plug it in before I put it all together.
Come on, Coffee. Hey, I forgot my sandals.
All right. Let's plug it in. You gotta plug this part in first.
Wait, battery is slow.
Still recording.
No. Okay.
But the first one, the windows work. The main one is the main concern is the.
At the car. Moment of truth.
Goes down. It goes down.
It works.
There was a switch.
Nice, yeah. Like you said, it is the switch.
All right, so now I'm gonna put it all back together. Problem solved. Hopefully they save you something.
Smash the like button.
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, smash the like button. So pretty much all the Kias are all the same, so same concept. But yeah, found it at Amazon or eBay. That's where works great. So there, guys, keep on subscribing.